Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Canopy Parts is probably one of the most essential outdoor accessories for anyone who loves spending time outside, whether you're a vendor at a market, a tailgating enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys a shaded spot in their backyard. But what happens when your canopy gets damaged? Don't worry, because today we're diving into the world of replacement parts, helping you find the perfect components to bring your canopy back to life. Number 5. Eurmax USA 10 by 10 foot pop-up canopy tent. This canopy features a strong, full truss structure for great stability. It has a hammer-toned powder-coated finish that looks good and resists rust. Durable steel and high-grade plastic parts make it last, perfect for any outdoor event. The top is fire-retardant certified and blocks about 99% of UV rays. The stitching is seam-sealed to prevent water from seeping through, making it waterproof. This commercial canopy is suitable for both sunny and rainy days. Setting up is simple: extend the pre-assembled frame, attach the fabric top, open the canopy, and lock it. Adjust the leg height to your needs. It's quick and easy to set up. It offers 3 different height settings, allowing you to choose what meets your needs. Use the thumb button height adjuster to set the clearance height from 10.5 feet, 10.8 feet to 11.1 feet. The package includes the 10 by 10 pop-up canopy frame, top cover, a unique L-shaped roller bag, and bonus canopy weight bags. The roller bag is oversized and easy to use. It has big wheels, strong polyester, reinforced handles, and is built to last. What we like. This canopy boasts a sturdy frame and a heavy-duty top, ensuring stability and protection from the elements. It's also incredibly easy to set up, saving you time and effort. If you're planning outdoor events like parties or market stalls, this is the perfect choice for a reliable and user-friendly shelter. What people say. Very sturdy. Very well made. The carrying bag has a wider wool span than most, which makes it a little more stable when rolling it. The bag is also tapered at the top to allow for the canopy top. You are encouraged to just leave it attached. Quality exceeded my expectations. The metal used was definitely stronger than my previous canopy, but not so strong that it would survive a storm, but at least strong enough for most normal situations. Number 4. Better Boat Clear Repair Tape. This clear repair tape is perfect for fixing tears and rips in awnings, canvas, tents, and more. It's heavy-duty and highly effective for various items like pop-up campers and bimini tops. The tape acts as a waterproof patch, resisting heat and sun. It creates a watertight seal, making it ideal for outdoor fabrics and air mattresses. This clear fabric tape is easy to use and flexes to repair rips quickly. It's a great addition to any emergency kit for repairing items like inflatables and bounce houses. The tape is highly versatile and adheres to various materials like tarpaulin, vinyl, and leather. Its clear design allows it to blend seamlessly into the material, suitable for hot tubs and covers. Better Boat is a family-owned American business dedicated to premium quality accessories. They stand behind their products, including this fabric tape repair solution, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This repair tape is designed to fix tears and rips in various materials, offering a waterproof and weather-resistant solution. It's ultra-durable and flexible, making it easy to apply. If you have a damaged canopy, tent, or awning, this tape will quickly and effectively restore it. What people say. The replacement canopy fit perfectly. The canopy is well made and durable. The canopy is easy to install. Number 3. ABCCANOPY 10 by 10 pop-up canopy tent with sidewalls. Introducing the ABCCANOPY, a trusted brand in the USA. This model is designed by professional tent specialists, offering a cost-effective solution for any event. It includes essential accessories and panels, making it perfect for various occasions. This canopy provides 100 square feet of cool shade, comfortably accommodating 6 to 8 people. There's plenty of room for a table and chairs, making it ideal for gatherings. Setting up is incredibly easy, requiring no tools. Simply take the fully assembled frame out of the bag, pull it open, place the fabric over the frame, and extend the legs. You can also adjust the height with 3 different settings. The frame is made of durable, black powder-coated steel that won't rust, with nylon plastic connection hardware. The canopy top is made of high-strength fabric, blocking 99% of harmful sun rays. The seams are sealed to prevent water penetration, making it waterproof. The package includes the commercial pop-up canopy tent, a roller carry bag, sandbags, ropes, stakes, removable side walls, and a door wall. You'll also receive a 1-year after-sale protection for the frame and 6 months for fabrics and accessories. Please note that this product is not designed for extreme weather conditions. Always use ropes and stakes to secure the canopy. When not in use, store it properly to prevent damage. What we like. This canopy offers a quick setup with a durable frame and fabric, plus it includes sidewalls for added privacy and protection. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a versatile and cost-effective canopy for various outdoor events, this one is a great option. What people say. The canopy top fit perfectly. The replacement canopy fit my existing frame perfectly. The canopy is well made and the material seems durable. Number 2. ABCCANOPY 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy Replacement Top. Introducing the ABCCANOPY Replacement Canopy Top. This is a top cover only, the frame is not included. It comes with a bonus of 4 weight bags. Made with 500D extra thick material, this canopy top is more durable than most on the market. It's built to last and withstand various conditions. This canopy top offers 100% waterproof protection. It also protects you from harmful UVA and UVB rays, ensuring your safety. Designed to fit 10x10 pop-up canopies. It easily attaches along the underside of the canopy, allowing you to add walls. We stand behind the quality of this product with a 6-month guarantee. You can purchase it with confidence, knowing it's built to last. What we like. This replacement canopy top is made with durable material, offering waterproof and UV protection. It also comes with bonus weight bags. If you need to replace your canopy top and want something that provides excellent protection, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. Perfect fit. Good quality. Number 1. 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy Top Replacement Cover. This blue canopy replacement top is made of durable, water-resistant fabric. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide lasting protection. The canopy top is easy to install and fits snugly on most standard 10x10 canopy frames. You can quickly set it up for your outdoor activities. This replacement top provides excellent sun protection. It's perfect for keeping you and your guests shaded during outdoor events. With reinforced corners and double-stitched seams, it offers enhanced strength and stability. This ensures it can handle various weather conditions. Features elastic straps with plastic hooks and Velcro strips for a secure fit. This design helps to keep it firmly in place on your frame. Made from thick 420D Oxford polyester canvas, 310 GSM. This material is built to last and provide reliable performance. Please note that this is the canopy top cover only. The canopy frame is not included with this product. What we like. This replacement cover is made of durable, water-resistant fabric and is easy to install. It's designed to fit securely on your frame. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to refresh your canopy, this top will provide the protection you need. What people say. The replacement canopy fit perfectly. The canopy is well made and durable. The product is exactly what I needed to replace my old canopy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.